Well, I think, you know, for Indigenous peoples, first of all, you have to realize that we know all too well that in the eyes of not only just Western science, but Western civilizations, period, of colonizing, you know, European countries, Christian countries, that they have a dehumanized view of Indigenous peoples. And so the same kinds of standards that they would apply to themselves and to their own citizens, those things kind of fly out the door when it comes to their interactions with Indigenous peoples. So it's really hard to trust and to engage with Western science, and in particular with biotechnology, because there is no foundation of trust. There is no foundation of positive engagement from which Indigenous peoples can base, you know, some kind of collaborative work. So Indigenous peoples have to evaluate these kinds of technologies from their own perspectives. Western science comes with its own views. They come with their own technologies, their own approaches and thinking about who they are, how they relate to nature, and all of those kinds of things that are usually antithetical to how Indigenous peoples view the world. Western science is, kind of comes from a framework of dominion over nature. And Indigenous peoples are the opposite. And in fact, we consider ourselves kind of the caretakers for nature, that the nature around us, the animals, the natural world around us is actually older than we are as human beings. And so we're like younger brothers or younger sisters to nature. And our job is to take care of nature, to protect nature and all aspects of nature. So we don't separate ourselves from the natural world the way that Western science does. Western science, I think, likes to think of itself as having technological capabilities to fix nature or to change nature. And in our view, nature is perfect as she is, and that our job is to be a part of that. And we don't sit above it, we don't sit below it, but we sit at a place within nature with a responsibility to take care of her.